I mean, the story starts 5 years ago.
Designing a new watch after Belcanto is really hard. That sets a really high bar.
It looks like we have to throw away the balance wheels.
Nightmare. Nightmare.
It's definitely difficult at the moment in Beale. The watch isn't working as we need it to.
And we've got to make a film in the middle of it as well.
It's meant to be a Swiss cheese. It is a Swiss cheese. It is a Swiss cheese pizza.
Ciao, Jonas. Ciao, ciao.
Not good news, huh?